guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this cool hair color. This wig is in collaboration with Ronniehair. So I will have all the links down below if you're interested in getting this blonde wig. I'm going to show you the colors start to finish. I'm not going to be talking in this video. I'm also going to be showing you the install and how I got this makeup look. So it's going to be quite a lengthy video. This is how the hair turned out. I think it turned out pretty cute. So make sure you guys thumbs up this video, share it with your friends, like, comment, and subscribe. And also check out Ronniehair. So yeah, all the links will be down below. And let's get right into this video. I just wanted to show you before I colored it and stuff. It looks like this. It's really nice. It's full. This is the hairline. This is the color. I'm going to show you guys the style I'm doing with it. I'm going to trim it at the ends because I want it to have like a blunt look. But all I'm going to do is wash it with purple shampoo. And I might do the roots. I'm not sure yet. But I'm gonna come back and show you guys. Okay. I just washed it with purple shampoo like 4 times. And this is how white it got. So I'm going to add some colors to the ends, but I just wanted to trim it before I add a little bit too much color. I want to trim it right underneath, so I'm just going to pull it straight, and I'm going to cut it like right here. So I cut like this much off, and I'm going to do it on both sides. And now I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit of color in the ends just to give it a different look. And I'm not sure what colors I'm going to be using yet, but I'll show you as I go along. I'm going to section the hair into half. And I'm going to focus on the back first. Okay, so now I'm going to just comb out the hair so I can have a smooth base to work with. And I'm going to color the hair up to like hair. So the first section is going to be right here because I'm doing about 5 colors. Second one, third one, 4th one, 5th one. So these are the sections, and these are the colors that I'm choosing to use today. Okay, so just comb it out smooth. This yellow color, it's called Funky Yellow, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh, this is really watery. I'm gonna put a little bit, and I'm gonna work this into the hair. I'm gonna do French Cognac. The next color I'm gonna do is Emerald. Is Electric Lime. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out one by one. Rinse out each color one by one, then wash with shampoo and conditioner, and then you're good to go. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Ronniehair. I will have all the links down below. And tell me if you like this hair color. Did you enjoy this video? Do you like the makeup? I enjoyed making this video. I did not talk in the video though, but I did enjoy it. This is how all the colors look. I gave it some like quick little bump at the ends with a curling iron, but yeah. So this is how the hair turned out. It's really, really cute. I like it. Okay. And to get my roots like this, all I did was purple shampoo it like 5 times. So yeah. I dipped it in purple shampoo like 5 times to get it really white. So yeah.